Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we'll learn how to fix if Telegram files was not showing on your file manager in your Android device. So if you are facing this issue, so please guys watch this video till end very carefully. So when you are facing this issue guys, first of all you want to check the your Telegram media download location on your phone to check this guys. Open the Telegram app. On the top left corner you can get the three lines, just tap on it. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings guys, go to data and storage, and here you can get the option storage path. You need to check your Telegram storage where your file was saving. It is saving on your internal storage or your external storage. Just you need to find out and check it out. So guys, the storage path was right on your device, but after then you are facing this type of error. So what you need to do guys, just open that image file or whatever file you have. After opening, on the top right side corner you can get three dots, just tap on it, and here guys you can get the option save to gallery, just tap on it. So now you have manually saved this image on your phone gallery or in your file manager. As you can see guys, in my photos application, now the image was showing on my phone. As you can see, with this help of method guys, you can easily manually save your files on your file manager. With this help of method guys, you can easily fix your issue. You can also try another method. You can clear the caches and the storage of your Telegram app from your phone settings, or you can update the app from the Google Play Store. You can also try this both method. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.